Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest tech tips and tricks to help you optimize your online experience. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 secret websites that 98% of people don't know about until now. So get ready to discover some hidden gems. First up, I have Old Games Download. This website has every single seat game from the 70s till the early 2000s. So many lost games that will bring you back to when you were younger. Next on my list, I have Sleepopolis. This fun website calculates exactly when you need to go to sleep and wake up in order to get a good night's sleep and be refreshed for the day. Number 3 on my list is Have I Been Pwned? It allows you to see if your online accounts have released in a data breach. You can also get email alert if you have been in a breach. Number 4 on my list is Best Similar. Have you ever watched a movie you loved so much that you wish there was another one like it? Just type the movie you watched and it will give you similar suggestions. Number 5 on my list is Just the Recipe. Paste the URL to any recipe. Click submit and it'll return literally just the recipe. No ads, no life story of the writer, no nothing except the recipe. Before I dive into the 6th on my list, please kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new and watching my video. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. So, number 6 on my list is Open Library. You can borrow any book in the world across a ton of different library systems without having to register for them. Number 7 on my list is Geek Typer. Hack like a programmer in a movie. Simply type random letters and the code will display on your screen. Perfect for messing with your kids and siblings. Number 8 on my list is All the Stuff, in-depth reviews and product recommendations for anything you want, designed to help you make the best choice when buying anything. And there you have it, 8 secret websites that 90-80 of people don't know about until now. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.